Welcome to Self-Service. This video is going to go over the financial aid button on your home page after you sign in. Once you click here on financial aid, it will bring you to a Welcome to Financial Aid page. This page will have all your resources, helpful links, your SAP status will be up here, but most importantly it will have your checklist. This checklist is one you want to make sure is completed. You can verify your award year here. You want to be on the 2019 to 20 award year for the 2019 fall and 2020 spring semesters. Once you have that correct, take a look at your checklist. Here you will see submit a free application for federal student aid, FAFSA. That should say completed once we have your FAFSA. After that, we have complete required documents. If you are selected by the state or Navarro College for verification, you will need certain documents. This is where you would go to fill those out or upload any information to be turned into our financial aid office. Here you see we have a couple incompletes. Once those are done, it will take 24 to 48 hours for those to say completed. It is not immediate. You will need to keep an eye on your information here in case anything has been rejected or anything has been changed. After your documents are successfully turned in, they will take 7 to 10 business days for us to get back to review. So now we can click back on Financial Aid Home. It'll take us back to our checklist. The next item on the list is your application being reviewed by the financial aid office. At this point, there is nothing else to do but to keep an eye on this information in case more documents are needed. Once that is complete, you should receive an email to your student email stating that your award letter is ready to review. You can click here to review your award letter. If you scroll down a bit, you will then see your estimated award. It will give you a total. Your total award is then split in half to cover each semester as seen here. Be sure to read your full award letter as it does state important information you will need to know regarding your loans and grants. Now you click back up here to Financial Aid and Financial Aid Home. That brings us back to the main page again. You can now go in and review and accept your financial aid award package. Grants are automatically accepted and you do not need to worry about those. However, you do need to accept or reject your loans. If you want both, click on Accept or Decline All. If you accept them one at a time, there is a 24-hour wait period to accept the next one. If you accept both and decide not to get just one of the loans for both, you can go back to your financial aid main page. And click on Financial Aid Change Request. This will then bring up your MyNC that you will log in with and sign in. This will bring up a pre-filled form. You want to make sure that your name and your ID number are correct. You want to fill out the form by choosing which semester you are in, if it's fall, spring only, or summer only, and what you're requesting. You can cancel your aid. If you have a declined award, you can reinstate. If you have reduced and accepted a loan award and wish to accept additional amount, you have completed 30 hours in your degree plan and would like to request sophomore loan status. Once you click on any one of those, it will then bring up more information for you to do. If you bring up, I wish to cancel my aid, it will then ask you, what do you want canceled? If you have a declined award, it will then say, please list the loan amount you wish to have restated. And if you don't want loans, put 0. Previously reduced, you'll enter in additional funds. And this one does not have anything else to fill out. When you hit next, you will then electronically sign and submit this form.